Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch HD Theater SB-3 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not connecting to something, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth or not working in any other way. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, all the settings off of it, so that you can set it up like it's a brand new soundbar. It's really easy to do. All we're going to do is first of all turn it off, and then once it's off, we're just going to remove all the cables from it except for the power cable, and then we're just going to turn it back on. Once it's back on, we should have a red light here, solid red light. We're just going to come in and find the mute button and the volume up button. Hold both of those buttons simultaneously until the red lights blink in red several times. That will indicate that your reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and turn the soundbar back off, plug all your audio cables back in, and then go ahead and turn it back on and set it up like it's a brand new soundbar.